Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set GIF as desktop background in Windows 10. So first you need to search for Windows Lively Wallpaper, download, hit enter, and here you can see different websites. So I'm going to select this website. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on installer 64-bit. So wait for a few seconds so that it will complete. Okay, click on start download. So it took 1 minute to complete that, so you need to wait for at least 1 minute here so that it will complete download. Okay, once it is downloaded, click on open folder and click on that. Click on install for me only. Click on select English. Okay, next again, I accept the agreement. Next again, select the location in C, create a desktop shortcut, click on install. So it took few seconds to complete the installation. So once it is installed, click on yes. Okay, now you need to open that. So let wait for a few seconds so that it will get finished. So click on finish. Then you need to open Lively Wallpaper. Okay, so now it is open. So select the GIF that you want. So here you can see my wallpaper is now changed. So this is a process that you need to follow to set GIF as desktop background in Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.